Ruby has 3 times as many 2 rupee coins as she has 5 rupee coins. If she has a total of rupees 88, how many coins does she have of each type? So here see first line, Ruby has 3 times as many 2 rupee coins as she has 5 rupee coins. So let the number of 5 rupee coins will consider x, then 2 rupee coins will be like 3 times x. Let the number of 5 rupee coins, let the number of 5 rupee coins be, I'll consider it as x. Then number of 2 rupee coins will be, because see, she told 3, here the question is Ruby has 3 times as many 2 rupee coins as she has 5 rupee coins. So let the number of 2 rupee coins be, will be like 3x. Now according to the given condition, total value is like 88. Total value is 88. So 5 rupees, sorry, 2 rupees or 5 rupee coins. 5 rupee coins, how many, like 5 times its number of coins is x plus 2 rupees. 2 rupee plus number of coins you have like 3x. So equals, here we'll get 88. Now if I'll simplify this further, 5x plus 6x equals 88. 5 plus 6, 11x is 88. X equals 88 by 11. So x equals 8. X equals 8. Now, therefore, the 5 rupee coins I consider it as like x. So there is nothing but number of 5 rupee coins are 8. Next, 2 rupee coins. We took it as 3x. So 3 times 8, that is 24. So Ruby has 8 5 rupee coins. Ruby has 8 5 rupee coins and 24 2 rupee coins.